Alright, hello again. Welcome back. Today I've got this is a burning bush. This tree actually started out, I think in the fall of last year as a nursery stock tree. It was pruned back once and planted in this pot. I kind of really like this tree. It has a lot of work, that still needs to be done to it, but overall it's a really good start. I like the shape of it. It's got nice thick branches. Today really all I'm going to be doing is removing this crossing root here that just really bothers me. Fall is coming up. It's a decent time to do light root work. This is not a major root. When I repotted it, I don't know really what my motivation was. I might have removed quite a bit of root and just decided, you know what, that one should stay for now. But anyway, today, that's all I'm going to focus on, is just getting that root off of there, because it's a real kind of nasty flaw, and it just bothers me every time I look at the tree. Alright, so here it is. You can see this root that comes out over here. A portion of it goes into the soil there, but the main part of it crosses right over, and these are really, I don't know that they're fusing together, but I don't think this line will ever go away with that root there. So first thing I'm going to do is try to cut it close over on this end. It's really in there. I'll try to cut it on this side. That end came loose. There we go. Try to trim a little bit more off here. Try to get as much of that root out of there so this can heal up as I can. Cut this off a little bit deeper in the soil. So there is a portion of this root that goes directly down into the soil there. That's why I'm not trying to cut it all the way back to where it starts from. And I'm just going to seal that tip up there. So hopefully before long that root will kind of bulge out and fill in that gap, that indent that's there. But I don't think it's going to get any worse the way it would have if I left that root crossing there. I think just would have kept getting worse and worse with time. Alright, so like I said, that's really all I wanted to do. Nice, quick, short video here. But, you know, that's going to be a big improvement over time, I believe, on this tree. Well worth doing. As I said, this is kind of a pretty safe time for minor work like that. I wouldn't be removing a major root at this time of year. I would do that in the early spring. But for something small like that, I think it's just fine. It's perfectly safe to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.